Hi guys, today I will show you how to roast pork in the house. So one pork will made for British style, and one will be made by Thai style. So let's go. So now let's start. So this one I will make for Thai style. And this one I will make for UK style. So now Thai style. Yeah, use a knife and oh fuck. Then use the sauce made by me. So before. Now continue use the fork, yeah, to hit the pork to make it more host. Yeah, and this side should also. No, can't. Only can do this side. Hopefully it can work. So go on. Then now in the UK side, I mean in the British one, we just need to, yeah, still need to make many. Oh fuck y'all. So sorry man. Sorry. Yeah, it's so ugly, but yeah, but I have to make you more delicious. So sorry man. Sorry. And then all we need is pepper sauce. Yeah, pepper sauce. Give me some salt. Okay, this will be okay. So see you. Oh. I think it will be at least Yeah, you can see. Very beautiful.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
Hi guys, finally we finished it. Well, you can see the gravity. This one is, I mean, this one is, you can see Chinese style roast pork. This one British style roast pork. So, and this one will serve with this the gravy. This is the very classic. So, oh, it's good. Shit. You can see very juicy. Yeah, inside. So try it. Oh, smells fantastic. So very nice. Yeah, it tastes like some UK British style. You can see this one. Now, because it's very different from the UK one, so yes, hopefully it will work. It's not served with the the gravy, so just try it directly. Fantastic. Something like well, you know, the soy sauce and some pepper and salt. No. Comfortable. So I think it's successful because we've made a nice food, right? So see you guys in next video. It's about 11 o'clock, so it cost me about 3 hours. So I think very tired. So see you every time. Good night.